Hello, 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 hello. Mic testing. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel. You must have watched all of my previous videos, and you must have seen that I recently had been to Thailand, Phuket, and I'd mentioned that I got a lot of stuffs from there. So let's do the unboxing. Am I screaming? Oh, I'm using this mic for the first time, and I can see that whenever I'm speaking, there's a green color bar that goes yeah, that's so cool. Okay, I think you can hear me loud and clear, so let's get started with the unboxing video of the things that I got from Thailand. So, I can't hold this all the time, so maybe I'll just tuck this in here. Okay. So, wow. So this is the bag that I got. Let's do the unboxing. This is a I also have few gifts that I've got for my family members. So I'm gonna skip that and only show you guys the food. Okay. So keep this aside. Okay. So थंबनेल के लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ता है भाई. Yeah, let's get started. Over this side. So I think Thailand is also very famous for tea. So I've got few tea, two different types of tea, and this is some flower tea. I think you just have to add hot water to this, and I've heard it's really healthy as well. So I've just got this. सब कुछ everything is written in Thai, so I'm sorry, I don't know to read Thai. And this is the another tea that I got. It's called oolong ginseng. So the reason I know about ginseng is from K dramas, and I know it is one of the healthiest ingredient. So I've just got that tea as well. So these are the two teas that I've got. So obviously not going to try now, maybe later. And the validity of this tea is also like for a very long time. So it expires in 2027, which is good. That means we can drink slowly. Then I've got this. It's called corn snack. So maybe I can remove this and see how it looks. Wow. So it looks like this. Ah, it looks like this. By the way, I got all of these snacks from 7-Eleven. So going to 7-Eleven store was always one of my dreams, and I just ticked it off, and I'm really excited about it. And this is actually good. Like, it just melts in your mouth. It has a little bit of cheese flavor in it, and it is a little bit sweet. So it's good. Really good. This one. These two are my favorite. I've tried shrimp prawn crackers or the shrimp chips in Doha, and it tastes really good, and I like the taste of it. And I found these prawn crackers as well in Thailand, so I just got them, and I'm sure it's going to be really good. Both are shrimp chips. Maybe I'll open one. Which one should I try? Maybe a smaller one, right? Because I can't finish all of them. Smells like prawns. I told you it's good. This is good. It has a little bit of fishy taste, but I like it. It's good. Very addictive. Just finish it off. This one, then. Okay, I'm not able to. What do we have next? What do we have next? What do we have next? Oh, next we have, I think this is like chicky back in India. So I think it's like that chicky that we get back in India. So let's try this one. गिर गया किधर Where? Oh. Told you. This is really good. It does taste like sticky, but I think it's the tastier version of it. So good. So good. Then we have this mochi, twin mochi bean. I think I'm gonna skip dinner tonight. I don't know what flavor is this. It looks good. It looks like this inside. It's very moist. That's a very different taste. What is it made of? It's good. But it's not my favorite. I think this is souvenir. So, how can I not bring this? How can I not bring this when I've claimed to myself as matcha lover? How can I not bring this, right? So I've got the matcha tea as well. Then Thailand is famous for inhalers also, I believe. So I've got this. It smells really good, and I think so. One of the days I had really bad headache, and we came across this shop, and I just saw this, and I just tried it on. It was really good. Like, it kind of relieves the pain or something like that. So let's see. I'll show you how it looks like inside. So it has all the jadi bootiya. I think it's very Ayurvedic kind of a thing. Oh, so good. Really strong and really good. So this is herbal inhaler. Then I've also got the 2-in-1 inhalers. So these are just to give to my friends and family members. So I've just got these. And since the new year is going to come soon, I'm going to journal. So yeah, and there are a lot of elephant imprints on these diaries. How cool, right? Yeah, so that's about this one. This is not eatables, by the way. Then I have, oh, this is for my beauty. Then I got some coffee powder. I think I'm a very coffee and tea person, so I've got like a lot of tea and coffee. Then I think this a lot of people know this by the name Pocky, but they had this coconut flavored business biscuit sticks. So yeah, this one. Should I open this now itself? Let me see how it looks like. Oh, okay. So they have individual packets like this. Oh. I think it will be the same thing that is even available here. Yeah. Hands-free challenge. This is good. This is really good. Then I also got the mango flavor. Let's see how the mango flavor is. Ah. Smells like mango. But I think I like the coconut one better. Then I love cooking, right? So how can I not bring this? So it's just seasoning mix, and they have also given instructions. There is also in English, like what to be add, what we have to add, and how to make it and everything. So I got this as well. I think it is pack of 6. Yeah, and it is valid till 2026. So there's still time. I can once in blue moon if I feel like eating Thai food, then I can just use this one of the powders. Then I got these toffees. This is the coconut one, and there's also lemon one, and it looks really good. Let's try the coconut one. I usually don't like this cookie. Good. So good. This one I'm really excited to try. It's lemon jelly. Ooh, it's really big. Sugar rush हो जाएगा. This one I don't know. I'm going to stuck to the teeth. It looks like mini lemon. Look at this. Oh my god. So good. This is for my friend. I also got some snack like this. this one, this is everything is written in Thai. What will I tell you guys? This looks like truffle, so I know truffle, so this is truffle flavor. Very expensive. Huh? This one I don't know. Chili lag raha hai मेरे को. Okay, this is the last item. Everybody knows about lace, but have you heard about nori seaweed lace? Like basically the outer sushi layer that you make, that flavor lace. This is crazy, right? It smells like seaweed. So tiny. Get a bigger piece. The flavors are not too strong, so it's pretty okay. I think my favorite was, what was my favorite? This one. This is my favorite. That's it, guys. This is all I've got. That's about it. So if you go to Thailand, then don't forget to visit 7-Eleven store. Also, the mess that I've created, who's gonna clean it? Of course, me. That's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, then bye. Take care, guys. Merry Christmas, everyone. And if at all I don't, if I do, English is not Englishing today. So if you don't see any of my videos before New Year's, then Happy New Year's to all of you. Have a great New Year. I mean, I'm sure 2024 must have been a really eventful year for all of you. Even for me personally, 2024 has been like really crazy. Big changes happened. So yeah, so grateful for everything, and yeah, please take care, and welcome 2025 with a blast. Bye.